Paid for that stuff. Paid for that stuff. Got that stuff for free. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do a doTERRA LRP unboxing for the month of July, and that stands for the doTERRA Loyalty Rewards Program. I'm going to unbox everything, and then I'm going to separate the stuff I got for free this month as well that I paid for, and because I used about 100 product credits, and so those were built up and ready to use. And without further ado, let's get into today's package. All right, so here we go. This is one of my largest packages yet because I'm moving to another location, my own place. And as a result, I'm stocking up all the bathrooms and the rooms with essential oils, and it will be an amazing experience. I'm really looking forward to that. All right, so here we go. Just opening up the box. Oh, like I said, I got a lot of stuff this month, a whole bunch of good stuff. You got the plastic bubbles here. Oh my goodness. Okay. The ironic thing is I'm actually going to unbox it, and then when it's time for me to move, I'm actually going to put most of this back in here. But at least we'll unbox it, sort it, and then figure out what stays, what goes. Actually, it all goes. But anyways, here we go. You can see there's a lot. Okay, so let's start off with maybe the stuff that you consume and then the stuff that you put on your body. Okay, so we have the V-Shake, which is the vegan protein powder that I use for protein as well as fiber with my green smoothies. And if you're not doing the green smoothie challenge, the 30-day green smoothie challenge, I highly encourage you to do so. It supports your weight management goals, energy, and digestion. This is a staple. This month I did one. Probably could have done two, but it's okay. Maybe next month I'll do two of these. And then we'll just put that off to the side. Maybe we'll, okay, there we go. Everything's open. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so this is, I believe this is the shampoo. You may be like, Lance, what do you need shampoo for? Well, it's actually for, no, this is not shampoo. This is the laundry detergent. So I'm just going to take out one of them so you can kind of see it. But yeah, this is the concentrated laundry detergent. I'm actually going to put it back in because I will be using that for the move. But otherwise, I would recycle the package and do all that good stuff. So I'm going to just sort it of stuff I probably will pack. And then that is the other one. So I got two of those. That's a concentrated laundry detergent, all natural, non-toxic, up to 64 loads. It's pretty awesome. All right, we'll just keep pulling out stuff. I don't know what I'm grabbing. I'm just grabbing whatever here. All right, so we have the foaming hand wash, dispenser refill bottles. So I got a couple of those. Let's move this. How about like this? Can you see it still kind of? Is that all right? Okay, so we're just going to put that off to the side. So we got like cleaning products, as you can see, personal care products, supplements, all the good stuff. We have the conditioner for the giant size, or the economy size, as they would say. And so that is that. So this is for the house I'm moving to, not for me, for the people that will be staying. And then we have shampoo. Boom. I actually use this as a body wash as well, so sounds weird, but hey, it works. Actually works really well because it bubbles up and okay, here it is. That's the economy size for the shampoo, so you can see that. So I'm not going to open up the other ones of that, but at least you get a feel for what they look like. Put that off to the side. We have the other shampoo, and then we have the other conditioner right here. And then I will recycle all these boxes after I move and all that good stuff. Okay. Then we have some body wash. There we go. And then, did I get another one? I should have, yeah, another body wash. And this is, so you can read here, formulated with only nature's finest ingredients, the doTERRA Spa Refreshing Body Wash will leave your skin feeling clean, smooth, and fresh. The invigorating scent of CPTG, bergamot, cedarwood, and grapefruit essential oils energize the body and uplift the mind, making it an ideal body wash to start the day. Oh yeah. I wish there was a bigger size of this. And you may be like, wait, Lance, you said you're going to use the shampoo's body wash. Well, well, this is the small size, and this is for, it's cool. We're going to use this. Don't worry. All right, so let's continue. I got some non-scented hand and body lotion. And it's cool that they offer this as an option because, you know, having a unscented natural lotion that you can use is amazing. You can add essential oils to this and kind of customize it, but this is cool. I love this option. And then what else do we have? Oh, yeah. So we have the dispensers for the refill bottle. So I'll have one for the kitchen and each one for the bathroom. So there's 3 of them. And then I'll fill those up with those. And that's how that works. And let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, so we have the enzymes. A must staple, must have. These break down the carbs, fats, sugars, proteins, fiber from the foods that you eat. And the rule of thumb is you take 1 if your meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 if your meal is fully cooked. And ideally 30 minutes before so that it lays a bed of enzymes so that your food can fall upon it and get broken down. All right, so you can see here, so these are the enzymes. And there's also a tummy tamer blend to support digestion. These are really missing in the standard American diet, and everyone should have these. These are a must-have for digestive and immune support. Okay, the other one is PB Assist. These are probiotics with a prebiotic in them. It says here, proprietary formula of prebiotic fiber and 6 strains of probiotic microorganisms in a unique double-layer vegetable capsule, delivering 6 billion CFUs, which are little microorganisms of active probiotic cultures and soluble prebiotic fiber that encourages culture adhesion and growth. And so this is going to support your digestion and immune system as well. So these are really also missing in the standard American diet, which are much needed here. Okay, then we have the Vegan Lifelong Vitality Pack. Looks like they redesigned the package. I like it. It's got some texture here. I can feel it's like slightly raised. It's cool. Got a little description here. And then just 30 days will change your life guaranteed. So it's risk-free, money-back guarantee. If you don't have more energy and vitality after taking these for 30 days, you get a full refund. So 0 risk. So let's open it up. This is what I get each month. All right. So we have the We have the Vegan Microplex VMZ. And so this is a whole food, multivitamin and minerals and nutrients that are more easily absorbable because it's not just what you eat, it's what you absorb. You can see the ingredients here: whole food blend, active enzyme blend, tummy tamer blend. So I will take 2 of these in the morning and 2 of these in the afternoon, and I have a capsule holder for this. We'll just put that on top over here. Actually, we'll put it on the other side, and then we'll keep going. Come on out. And then we have the VE Omega. So for each one of these, these are all plant-based, but they also have marine and plant-based version of the Lifelong Vitality Pack. But I've been vegan since since November of 2014, so that's why I choose these. But the VE Omega is great. As you can see here, there's some vitamins and minerals. There's an Omega blend, carotenoid blend, and then the CPTG essential oil blend with clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. And this will support your brain, joint, and muscle function. So very, very important as well. And then lastly, all right, let's pull it out here. Okay, then we have Alpha CRS Plus. This is energy in a bottle without caffeine, without sugar. You can see the ingredients here. A cellular longevity blend. We also have a cellular energy blend and then the tummy tamer blend. So these support your digestion as well and your cells. Cell yeah. Okay, cell yeah. All right, so everything that's like paper, I'm going to recycle as well. I'm going to break this down because I'm going to definitely use this. And then, what else do we have here? We have some essential oils. We have some wild orange. I was running low. This is very cleansing, uplifting. Use this to clean my hands. Use this in my green smoothies. It's amazing. Must-have staple of mine. And then we also got the lime. Whoa, hello. Which is the product of the month. So for any 125 point value order or more, you get this for free. And point value is roughly $1 per point. And so this is a great option. I use this in my waters If you use citrus oils, just make sure to use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic mugs because they can pull the petrochemicals out if not. And you want to make sure to, these can cause some photosensitivity, so not using these before you go outside. I do have videos on all that, so you can just type in like doTERRA Lime Essential Oil Lance McGowan on YouTube and you'll find some videos. But anyways, love this oil. Goes great with doTERRA's Lemon Essential Oil in some water, a glass of water. Alkaline water, that's right. Okay, here we go. Last oil. You can see it's very product heavy this month because I'm trying to support the personal care side, not just the overall health side. Peppermint, I was running low, so this is very, supports alertness, focus, mental clarity, freshens breath. I mean, I use this every day. I love this oil. One of my favorites and a must-have staple as well. All right, so we're gonna put that right there. And I'm actually gonna keep these for giving out samples whenever I mail them. I also keep these to cover the corners of specific pieces of furniture so they don't chip. And so there's a lot of purposes for this stuff. So yeah, shipping, moving, I will repurpose, reuse, reduce, recycle, all that good stuff. And then lastly, up in here, you can see it's pretty much empty. I did get some Natural Solutions handouts because I was running out. And this is for teaching classes. And this is very important. So you can see there's about 10 of them in here and covers the whole class. And these, they're thicker than this. They're more than back and side or back and front. And then there's also the Live Guide, the Share Guide, the Build Guide, the Launch Guide. And those are for wellness advocates. And so is this. And so this is very educational and something that is cool that they've integrated with the doTERRA, LRP order, that I can order this and help others improve their health and feel more empowered and be a healer in their own home. There you go. There you go. All right. Well, that is everything here. As you can see, it's just that. So everything pretty much that I'm going to consume soon, I'm going to just open up and prep now. And that would be the V-Shake and these. The oils I will put in a collection. I'm also going to use these. And I'm also going to separate the stuff I got for free versus the stuff that I paid for. And so I'm just looking at my order here, which is probably going to be hard to see. It's just my laptop here. So I'm just looking at my order, and let's see what I got here. So with regards to what I got for free, I got the Foaming Hand Wash Twin Pack for free. So let's just put that stuff. All right, so this is stuff I'm going to probably use soon, or at least need to put away. So I got this for free. I got this for free by using my product credits this month. I got the Peppermint for free. I got the Wild Orange for free. I got the Lime Oil for free. So this month I got all the essential oils for free. Then the SPA and Hand Body Lotion. Got this for free with my product credits. The body washes I got for free this month as well. So this is everything I got for free. These are the things that I paid for. These are the things I paid for. So I used over 100 product credits, and it's nice to separate that so I remember the value that I got. And this is great because the doTERRA LRP program is like a frequent flyer or hotel rewards program where the more you purchase and help your health, the more you can get for free. There we go. And I'm just going to prep these items because I'm going to use these pretty much immediately. And that is part of reducing barriers to use. And once I find my scissors, which I just did, okay, so we're just going to open this up. Hello. All right. You want to cut away from you. That's the safety strategy. There we go. So just open it up. And then we're going to kind of like cut a hole in it like so. And then just cut it like that. There we go. Woo, okay. Okay, so now that is prepped for use. Barrier to use removed for that one. Put that off to the side. I'm going to do the same thing with the probiotics. There's a package around it, just opening it up. Okay. And then just using this to kind of open everything up. And this is like half full. There's 30 of them in here, so I'm going to consolidate with another one if I can, and then recycle the container. And then these do the same. I just kind of twist, open them up, and remove the packaging. Use the scissors to open the top. It's sealed for safety. And then there's those. I'll consolidate if I need to with another bottle. And so my supplements will go in my pantry, and then the cleaning products will go probably under my sink for now, or back in the box because I'm moving. But yeah, that is that. And the last thing to prep is the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which is actually doTERRA's best-selling product line here, the Three Amigos, as I like to call them. And it's helpful to have a capsule holder. I have one, it's an AM and PM one, which is helpful to keep me, it helps me keep track of what I used and didn't use. All right, so there's those. Take 2 of these in the morning, 2 of these in the AM, the same for each one of these bottles. So it's 12 capsules total a day. And then, all right, just opening everything up. All right. This is the more tedious part of the LRP, but it's very important because, again, it's supporting my health and wellness, helping me be proactive with my health instead of reactive with my health. I don't want to wait until I'm in a ditch to do something with my health. I want to, whatever I did to get well, I should do to stay well, which is the principles that I've been taught and just continue to live out since I started doTERRA in November of 2013. It's been really amazing. These have supported my digestion, my skin, my immune system, stress levels, a lot of different areas. Okay, that is pretty much everything. So just as a recap, paid for that stuff, got that stuff for free. I'm moving, so I'm going to put a lot of stuff back in the box, and then I'm going to fill up, reuse, consolidate containers wherever I can, recycle anything that can be recycled, plastic, paper, cardboard, and then go from there. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and make sure to check out my other videos for more important information and to stay up to date on future uploads. Other than that, I will see you in the next video.